Intensive practice 4.3, question 8. Given that log 2 is 2 plus this one all, express y in terms of x. Okay. So here we have logs and we have a number. So what we do is we bring all the logs to one side. So log 2 xy minus 3 log 2x plus log 2y equals to 2. Right. Since all of these are in log 2, we can simplify it. But before we simplify, this number we try to bring up first. So we have log 2 xy minus log 2 x cubed plus log 2y is 2. Now we can simplify. Okay. So minus will change to divide, plus will change to times. So it will become log 2 xy divided by x cubed times y. Oops. Equals to 2. Okay. So x and x cubed we can cancel off. This will give us x squared. And then y times y will get y squared. So log 2 y square over x square equals to 2. Okay. From here, we try to bring this log over here. So when log moves over that side, it becomes 2 power 2. Okay. Since this is y square over x square, we can say this is equivalent to y over x squared. Then square and square we can cancel off. Y over x equals to 2. Therefore y is 2x. So they want us to make y the subject, y in terms of x. So this will be our answer.